Hello friends, in this video we will install phpMyAdmin on Ubuntu 16.04 LTS. In last video we had installed Apache along with MySQL server and PHP 7. Actually in last video we had finished our LAMP portion, but to make it easier for user in the sense for developer who work on websites or like WordPress, Magento or anything like PHP based frameworks, then the developer needs something to create database and to manage tables, so he can or she can use some graphical interface to interact with database and do search or anything related that create users by using GUI interface. So there is one very sophisticated web application which is phpMyAdmin, which we can install on our machine. Basically its installation is quite easier, and it's not a very hard to install on Ubuntu. So before installing we have upgraded and update whatever packages already we are having on our system, so we can we can install uh, our package in better environment where everything is up to date. So in meantime the updates are going to be completed, then we will use one or two commands to install phpMyAdmin, in which it will install a few dependencies which it requires to run things smoothly. Then while installation we will interact with a couple of settings, like in which we will mention what server we are using, Apache or Lite or whatever. We will mention that we will use uh, we will we will give password to our PHP user. We It will prompt us to password screen where we have to enter our password. So our process of installation has begun. You can see the command is sudo apt install php-admin, php-mbstring, php-gettext. Like, these commands will handle everything. You just need to do nothing, just sit and wait for the installation to be completed. It is going to take a little while, then it is almost ready. During the installation it is going to ask you to enter password for you for to secure your php admin panel to, like, now you need to space enter, you use your space bar, then hit enter. Now we have told the installation that we will use this php admin with Apache. So it's time to configure database for php admin. Now MySQL application password for phpMyAdmin. If left blank, a random password will be generated. So it's better to use your own customized password which you have tailored, like, to give maximum security to your uh, you know admin panel of your php myadmin. So clear command. Now we will basically now test few things. Before that we need to enable what package we had installed. Like, we installed my my mbstring mcrypt, like we enabled them. So it's time to restart our Apache. So after this we will go to our browser and log in into our phpMyAdmin. So you need to enter your you know credentials here, like root and whatever password you have used. Once you have entered it here, you can create your new user. and and don't forget to give strong password here, because while installation it had asked us that what level of security we want. So it gave us 0, 1 and 2. We entered 1. If you had entered 0, then you do not need to much worry about your password. It will not give you any error. So in this I'm going to use dollar and asterisk to make our password more secure, because as I told you earlier, it will give us error if we will not use, because while installation I used one to make it more secure. And another thing we will use to check this checkbox, so we will create the same database as of the username. Thanks for watching. In next video I'll tell you how to install WordPress on Ubuntu using WP CLI tool. Like we will install it and using it to download WordPress, and then we will do installation of WordPress. Thank you.